Today, we're introducing the ultimate solution for keeping your furry friends hydrated with ease, the Automatic Water Dispenser for dogs. This 3-liter outdoor water bowl is crafted from 304 food-grade stainless steel, ensuring both safety and durability for your pets and livestock. Designed for convenience, this dispenser automatically refills when water levels drop, so you can say goodbye to the hassle of daily refills. Installation is a breeze with the included water hose, copper connector, and expansion screws, making it perfect for yards, pastures, and farms. It's versatile enough for chickens, ducks, geese, and other wildlife, ensuring no animal goes thirsty. Plus, with a 1-year warranty and responsive customer service, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing support is just an email away. Remember, it's designed to connect to a 3/4-inch GHT faucet, so make sure your setup is compatible to avoid any leaks. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.